Hi, my name is Kayla Cole, and I'm applying for the position of Community Learning Experience Coordinator. This is a job that I designed based on my personal intelligence. I enjoy helping people discover their strengths, connect with others, and grow in ways that go beyond traditional learning. I would focus on building programs that bring learners and community resources together while encouraging confidence, collaboration, and communication. I believe this role fits me perfectly because my top three intelligence are self, social, and language. My first strength is interpersonal or self intelligence. I'm a reflective person who understands my own strengths, challenges, and motivations. I know how to set goals, stay focused, and evaluate myself along the way. In this role, I could help others do the same, guiding them to reflect on their learning, identify what works best for them, and create plans for growth. For example, when I start a project, I like to break it into steps and set checkpoints for myself. I would use that same process to help others stay motivated and on track. My second strength is interpersonal or social intelligence. I thrive when I'm working in a group. I enjoy building relationships, listening carefully, and connecting with others in meaningful ways. Collaboration comes naturally to me. When I work in a group, I often find myself being the one who brings us together and keeps communication flowing. In this position, those skills would help me work with students, staff, and our community members to create strong, positive partnerships. I believe that when learners are connected, they're more engaged and more motivated to learn. My third strength is linguistic or language intelligence. I've always loved words. I love storytelling, and I love helping others express their own voices. I enjoy turning ideas into clear messages that inspire but also inform. Whether through presentations, blogging, or public speaking opportunities, I make sure that communication is always clear and empowering. When I think about my own time in school, I realize that not all my strengths were recognized. Most of the focus was spent on memorizing facts and taking tests. That meant my interpersonal intelligence, like my ability to reflect and set goals, wasn't really measured. I thrived in assignments that allowed me to use language like essays, speeches, or classroom discussions. And in group projects, my social intelligence really stood out because I could collaborate and bring ideas together. But opportunities like this were limited. I would like to see that change. Looking back, I believe that my academic performance could have been measured more accurately if my multiple intelligence had been considered instead of just my test taking ability. In this new role, I would apply what I've learned about multiple intelligence to the people I work with. I would design opportunities for learners to share their knowledge in different ways through creative projects, reflective journals, or presentations, not just traditional tests. I would build teamwork activities where individuals can learn from each other's strengths. That's important. I would encourage self-reflection, helping learners set personal goals and track their progress. And because language is one of my strongest strengths, I would create engaging activities like storytelling, blogging, debates, online presentations, so people can share their ideas with confidence. My goal would be to value all intelligence and to make sure that every person has a chance to shine in their own way. In short, the position of Community Learning Experience Coordinator combines my self-awareness, my ability to connect with people, and my love of language. These strengths make me qualified for this role, and I would be excited to bring them into the community. Thank you so much for considering my application, and I look forward to bringing these ideas into action. Thank you.